Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you a really easy way to set up at home. It doesn't need to be difficult, it doesn't need to be anything flash, doesn't need to be anything hard. For piano students, it's quite important that we can see the keys. That way we can see what notes you are playing, and if anything's wrong that we can fix it or give you very clear instructions. So the best way to set up at home would be to mount a device. By mounting I mean like on a little side table that's just next to you, that's easy to maneuver around and change views if need be. So for example, I'm just sitting next to my piano. I just have my laptop right beside me on a little side table, and as you can see, I can move this very easily, so I can show the keys right alongside the piano. And then I can always maneuver the laptop to see my face. So this is quite ideal. Doesn't have to be too flash, but that way I can see your hands. Even better if you can get some sort of bird's eye view going. If parents are sitting with you, then that's fantastic, because then they can move, just move the device so that it's clearer for us to see. But if you're an adult and you're learning from home, or you're a teenager, then just having a setup like this would be good.